What the? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. I wanted to show you guys how I edit my videos. It's so stinking easy. I mean, for me it is. There's literally nothing to it. Obviously, you need your resources. Resources are so important. I'm gonna show you how I edit my videos. This is gonna be like just like the rest of my videos. Hopefully short, sweet, and to the point. I don't want to drag it out for too long because it's really not that big of a deal. Like, it's really it is what it is. So if you're interested, keep watching. I have everything written down here like that I feel like I need to point out. Whenever I was ready to like start my channel and like get things going, okay, so Apple computers, I know that they have like iMovie and what is it? Final Cut Pro. Yeah, that's what it is. I know that they have that for Apple computers. I have an HP. I have like a Windows computer, which I don't need an Apple computer. It'd be nice, but I don't really need one. Like, there's no difference to me because they basically have, it's almost the same. I feel like it's almost the same as Final Cut Pro. Like, you'll get all the same type of like effects and like overlays and like there's plenty of cool things on both of them. But here's what I have. I have Filmora. I have Wondershare Filmora. And okay, so they have a plan where you can get I think I got my lifetime like membership for $60. Like, I think I paid a one-time fee of $60, which is so nice. And then there's like a I think they have like a lifetime and then they have like a year kind of thing, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what it is. So I was like, why not pay for a lifetime, like a one-time payment for the rest of your life, because it's a really good program. Like, it does everything that you need it to do. Like, there's nothing that you won't be able to find on there, I feel like. Obviously, if you're trying to make a movie, this isn't for you. They have more advanced things for that, I'm sure. I started out with Filmora and they are constantly upgrading it. You get new like different packages, like different text, effects, overlay, like all that stuff. There's different packages and I just don't require much. But they're upgrading it constantly and there's always something new, but I'm sticking to what I know because that's the best way to do it. Alright, so whenever I sit down and I'm ready to edit my video, I grab my little SD card. I don't know if I should show you. You know what an SD card is. Oh my gosh. I grab my SD card. I have a little port in my computer where I put that. Every computer, like, you can retrieve files if you have like a flash drive, like whatever it is. It'll say like removable disk, whatever, or like for me it says Canon files, and I take whatever I need from there. Everything that I filmed will be in there. I upload it to Filmora, and it's not gonna throw all your files like out there all together. You have to select what you want on your timeline when you're editing. Like, it'll bring all your videos up, but you have to select which ones you want and in what order. Super easy, and I'm glad that it is that way. Once I have all my files that I want, I will take out, like, I'll trim my video clips and I'll take out all the video clips that have me saying like and or but, things that I don't want in my video. Like, obviously this reminds me of like whenever you have to give a presentation in like a business class in high school or something. Your teachers would tell you, like, don't say and or but. Like, too much of that is not necessary. So I like to trim that out. Makes my videos like have better quality. I'm happier whenever I cut those things out, and then cut out all the spots where I'm just like randomly just like sitting and staring. Like, cut those out. You don't need those. Whenever my videos, like my lighting is changing or something, doesn't happen often because I have a ring light, but whenever, like, if you do film in like window lighting, like outside lighting, because a lot of YouTubers do that, and that's all fine and dandy. It just, like, the sun goes out and then it comes back and then it goes out again, and it's annoying. Ring light, that's my best bet. Like, I'm happy with my ring light. So that's the second thing I do. I color correct if I need to. Usually I don't need to, but if I'm doing a vlog, like in my last video, we were in the car and we were outside, and the lighting changes like over and over again, and like there's shadow. It's a mess, and I don't want my videos to look a mess. So I correct that. After that's done, that's when I feel like I'm ready to add all my text. If I want to put text in there, an overlay, my effects, that's the perfect time to do that. And then the most important thing to me, what really puts a video together and makes it kind of like schmood, is transitions. You need your transitions. Those are super important. Like, that's probably the most important thing to me. Like, I don't need all the effects and the overlays and all that stuff. I don't need that. Transitions, again, like, it's almost like a PowerPoint to me. I loved making PowerPoints in high school, and this just feels like the exact same thing. It feels like I'm doing the exact same thing, because there's a lot of similarities. And I feel like if you went to high school, like if you graduated high school when I graduated high school, or like somewhere near it, then you know how to do all of this already, and there's nothing new. I kind of just figured it out on my own. So transitions, important. After I'm done with my transitions and adding every like effect that I want to, the very last thing that, like, this is another really important one, but the very last thing that I do is add my music, because music, that's another thing that pulls it all together. And I think everybody gets their music from somewhere else, like different. I know, like, Catherine Manning on YouTube, she goes to Epidemic Sound. Me, I do not want to pay for Epidemic Sound right now. Maybe in the future I will, but as of right now, I'm good on that, because I use like a lot of different music from Filmora, like the samples that they have. And YouTube Studio also has a tab where you can click, I don't know what it's called, but it's like, I think it's maybe like the audio studio or something along those lines. Like, it's on the tab, like on the shoulder of the screen. They have a lot of stuff on there too. They let you select like the mood that you want, or like the genre that you want for your video, and it's so cool that they have that. So you'll just, like, if you want music from YouTube, you just go click on it, listen to it, make sure it's what you want, and then click download, and then it'll be on your computer, and you can upload it or like retrieve it to Filmora. That's what I do if I'm using YouTube. There is also places on the internet where you can find like whatever exactly what you're looking for, because and you can download it, because I had to find like a specific sound in one video that I was looking for, and I just went to Google and I was like, what was it? I think it was like audience clapping, or like, and then it had like different types of websites with that sound, and I just went through and found the one that I wanted, and I downloaded it. Free download. It's not always like that. Like, every website won't let you do that. The website that I went to, it let me do it. So like, if there's a sound effect, a song that you want, and then you also got to be careful with being copyrighted, because that's a big deal. I had to re-edit my last vlog because of that reason. And then once I have my sound in there and my music that I want, I will go and trim that up, or do like a fade in or fade out, whatever I need to do with my music. There's all kinds of stuff in Filmora that will help you. Like there's all kinds of tools. They even have like a support or like a help center where you can like actually go to the website. I think there's like a chat, like if you need help, and it's awesome. And finally, before I export, I go in and I add my wherever I want them to go. Obviously my outro is always at the end, but my intro, I just decide where I want that, and it's so easy. I made my own intro, I made my own outro, like it just, and after you do all that, then you're ready to export. And I export to my desktop because it's easy to find my files when they're right there in front of my face. I think that is all I have for you guys. I told you it was short, sweet, and to the point. So simple. There's really nothing else to say. There's nothing to it but to do it. You won't know until you actually just figure it out yourself. That's what I had to do. I had to figure it out myself, and I'm pretty sure everybody else did too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like watching my videos, subscribe. Check out my social media. Stay tuned. I have more uploads coming every week. I upload every Monday, or I try to. I've been on a good roll lately. Things are going well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!